Now, let's go over here to the course content where you see you start here, module 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I just want to add some icons. I'm going to click Edit. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and we want to add an icon. So the first one I'm going to do is a pencil icon. Looks good. I like that as is. I'm going to save that. And leave the description alone. Decorative image, yeah, I want to leave that alone. Looking good. Awesome. There we go. Start here. Okay. Now, the images I'm adding here, these were licensed from Ensemble Elements. So my course banner, course image, I licensed from Adobe Stock. And then the icons I'm adding now have been licensed from Ensemble Elements. I'll leave some info in the description, so if you want to check that out, you can. Let's keep going. Module 1, I want to edit that. And I want to add something, again, something cool. Let's go with folder 1. Good to go on that. Awesome. Description. Mark image as decorative. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, everything's looking good. So far, so good, as we say. And module 2, I'm going to edit this. All right, image, upload. This will be the blue folder. Looking good. Yes, exactly how I want it. Processing image. Description looks fine. Mark image, mark the image as decorative. Yeah, we're good there. Okay, we've got the splash page, we've got the pencil, the black folder, the blue folder. Let's keep going with our folders here. Okay. I want the red folder next. Looking good. Yeah, everything is as I'd like it. Description, image, accessibility, mark the image as decorative. Yeah, good to go there. All right, we're almost there. Course banner image, start here pencil, module 1 black folder, module 2 blue folder, module 3 red folder, and I want to get module 4. Okay, upload a file, and we're going to use the green folder. Everything looks good. Okay, description looks good. Accessibility, mark the image as decorative. I'm going to save it. That's it. So this is how you can add some splash and pizzazz to your course in Blackboard with images and icons. Hope this helps. Have a great, awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.